Hi guys, it's Nunu and we are in discussion 5, Sittenfeld, Oates, and Sex Scenes in Literature, 60 points. Okay, let's survey this assignment. We have 4 links for you to click on right here. We have a part 1 with questions, and I added on Monday to question 2 right here. And I added a third question, and pardon me for that. I thought I had included these questions, so I did not. Okay, we also have a part 2, which is peer evaluations, and we have some videos and recordings for you to check out. We have an interview with Joyce Carol Oates about where are you going, where have you been. We have It's All Over Now, Baby Blue, the Bob Dylan song that inspired Oates' story, and we have Curtis Sittenfeld reading The Prairie Wife. I wanted to let you know that there are closed captions here in the Bob Dylan song, so you can read the lyrics as he sings. And in this YouTube video of the interview with Joyce Carol Oates, you can click on it, and if you want closed captions, you can just click on CC right here. Okay, I'm going to minimize that. I'm going to scroll back up the screen. I'm going to click on the timeline to remind you about the timeline. As you know, I list Sunday as the due date for all of our assignments, the end of the week for convenience, because Canvas lets me list only one due date, but we actually have different due dates in the assignment. So post part 1 by 11:59 p.m. on Thursday, and post part 2 by 11:59 p.m. on Saturday. If you're going to have trouble meeting these due dates, just email me here in the inbox and let me know what's up, okay? I'm going to click on the back arrow and go back into the discussion assignment, and I'm going to click on the overview, the focus, which is important. So the focus in this discussion: graphic sexual imagery pervades today's literature and other art forms, especially TV and movies. Think Game of Thrones. Is this change necessary and good because our sexuality is such a fundamental part of who we are, but can it be too much of a good thing? All right, so that is our focus, and the questions that I ask here relate to that focus. I wanted to just point out you do not have to number the answers to these questions. Write 1, 2, and 3. You can just respond to them. All right. If you have any questions or concerns, I'm right here in the inbox, and you're never emailing me too much. If assignment directions are unclear or you need to chat. All right. I love to hear from you. Let's have a good week.